Hi students, today's lecture I'm writing multiplying two floating point numbers program in a C programming language. First here I am click on the file menu and drop down box, it will shown on the screen. Select that new and you select source file. Source file will be open. You have to write that programs in a new file. Hash include stdio.h means the line is describing standard input output header files are included in this preprocessor directory. Press enter and entry of the program. Here I am using entry of the program int main. Int main means it returns any value, and body of the program will be open. Within the flower brackets you have to write what you want to get the result from this program. What is the aim of your program, you have to write in within the flower brackets. First one is that variable declaration. You have to declare that variables. Our program is multiplying two floating point numbers, means here I am taking two in variable declaration double data type, double double space. Here my program is multiplying two floating point numbers, means I have to take three variables to multiplying two numbers, two floating point numbers, a comma b comma product. End of the line, end with semicolon. Enter. Here knows this what it describing this line. Data type space variables, it's a variable declaration. And printf, you have what you are displayed on the screen. With the help of the printf you have to display it on the screen. Means it's a printf is an it's representing an output device. Enter two numbers. Enter two numbers backslash n. End of the line, end with the semicolon. And scanf, printf is an output device. Scanf is performing like an input device to scan that variables values and address of the variable. We are declared these all three variables, a comma b comma product. These three variables are declared inside of the data type, that is double. We have to know this. I have to know this double data type format specifier, that is %lf. We are entering two variables, two numbers. Enter two numbers means first I am initializing these variables a comma b. %lf. %lf means it's a format specifier for double data type. Space %lf. The two values are declaring for the address of the a variable and address of a ampersand of b. Okay, here scanf is an input device. It's for this syntax is data types and variables address locations. Means it's a %lf, ampersand a and ampersand b. End of the line, end with semicolon, then press enter. And we are writing this program for multiplying two floating point numbers. Means I'm writing the formula of multiplying two floating point numbers. Product equals to a into b. Then end of the line, end with semicolon, press enter. And you have to display it on the screen this product value with the help of the printf product equals to %2lf comma product. end of the line end with semicolon. Here this product variable product is a variable. That variable is declared inside of the double. We are multiplying two values, percentile to LF, and return 0. We are terminating that program. We are getting that result, and we are terminating the program with the help of the return 0. Means in main program we are entering in this program we are entering with that function int main. Means you have to return int main is returns any value, return 0. And say here I am saving my program. Click on file menu, then new, and first we have to know the source file of C program. Here source file is there, and I am saving my program with that file name is B, and extension of the file name C, extension of the program file name dot C. How to save a C program? File name dot C. Our program is saved. B dot C. B is a file name, and dot C means it's a C program. And after saving that program you can compile your program. Click on execute and compile. Means any errors are there in your program. 0 errors, 0 warnings. Then you will go to directly to run your program. Click on execute and click on run. Command prompt will be open on the screen. You are entering that floating point numbers. Here I am entering 2.5 and 1.5. Then press enter. The product value is 3.750000. Our program is successfully done.